How to block someone on Knives Out. Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech for Gamers. If you're playing Knives Out and have run into someone you'd rather not interact with again, don't worry. Blocking them is simple and beginner friendly. First of all, start by launching Knives Out on your device and wait until you reach the lobby screen, which looks like this. From the lobby page, go to the Friends icon at the top right, and then from the My Friends list, find anyone you want to block. You can check your friend list or recent players tab, or you can also go to the home screen and tap the arrow facing downwards from the top right. Select anyone you want to block, and once you open up their info section, click the three dots on the right corner and click on block. Now click on OK in the pop-up to block the person, and the person will be added to your block list. Just find someone, tap on their info section, and then select block. After you've blocked someone, they won't be able to message you, you won't see their invites or chats, and interactions become limited or fully restricted depending on the game settings. If you ever change your mind, you can usually unblock them quickly and easily as well. So that's how you block someone in Knives Out. It only takes a minute once you know where to look. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.